Hi, well here I am just south of Ovenden Moor, and as you can see and maybe hear, it's incredibly windy. It really is. Let's have a look. Rain on the window, can't see a lot there, but let's look at the trees. Look at that. So, great day for wind power. Tractor there. A day that wind energy can really prove its worth, and by the look of that and the sound of that, it should be a day of incredible wind generation. So let's see what's going on over at Ovenden Moor. Wait for it. Excuse the magic tree. Oh, there we go. Not a great deal. Nothing. All that blight, all that land use, all that concrete, all that steel, all that paint, on a day like today. Look at those trees. Yet the wind turbines aren't turning. Now what on earth is going on there? Have they been stopped from turning? Is there a brake or something that's stopping them? How does it work? Why are they not being turned by the wind? Not even remotely. There's actual force or pressure that's stopping them going around. You know, it's not like they're just free flowing in the wind. There's some kind of resistance to the wind going on there. What is it? Is it mechanical? Is it electronic? Does it have a carbon footprint? Whatever's stopping them going around. I'll tell you one thing's for sure. That's producing 0.0000 gigawatts of power. That's not even producing enough to flash my windscreen wipers. And listen to that wind and look at that wind. Okay, this is another video I will get uploaded and get put in the public domain. And I might well refer to it in some of my communications with local councils. Calderdale, that means you. Okay, here's something of a smoking gun. It's about an hour after I took the video of Ovenden Moor, and I've headed west, and I'm high above Hebden Bridge on the way to Todmorden, and it's still as windy as it was, as you can see. This is a small turbine, and I think that's the kind of honest truth of what they really do in the wind. It's just going kind of fairly sedately. Now, my question is, you know, I've seen them go faster in less wind. I've got video evidence of them going way faster and way less wind. So this is as much of a smoking gun as I can come up with. The speed of the wind turbines is no correlation whatsoever with the speed of the wind. And if that's the case, it's got to be another form of either motor or resistor. You know, they're not just powered by the wind. There's more to it. It's wind plus. And this is the bit that we really need to look at. And we need to look at all these wind turbines and say, if they're all powered by the wind, how come they go so drastically different speeds? So there we go. There's one just sort of sedately plodding along. It might produce some electricity. Does that really generate electricity? Something doing that? Really? That generates electricity, does it? I'm gobsmacked by that. The idea that actually generates electrical power just by doing that. I could be wrong. I probably am. I'm wrong about a lot of things. But it just doesn't sit right. I can't see that actually produces a dicky bird of power. How can it? Look how strong the wind is. Alright, well, the rain's covering up the view. It's disappearing into the distance, as I wish I would. Okay, see you later. There it is, up close. Yeah, you know, it's going around. It's powered by the wind. That to me looks normal. That to me is sort of... it just seems to be like in harmony with the wind. It seems to be relative to the speed of the wind. That's what you would expect. I would point out it's incredibly strong winds, and you know, I think we've all seen them move 3 times as fast as that. So to me, that's as fast as the wind will ever naturally get a turbine. Even in very strong winds, that's as fast as it will get, I believe, naturally. And I believe if you ever see them moving any faster than that, in less wind than that, it clearly doesn't correlate with what we're seeing here. So there you go, the genuine face of wind power. And yeah, sure, if that can produce electricity, it looks like awful. It really does. It's total blight. But you know, if that produces power like that, fair play. I just don't think it does. And I would point out this is probably the strongest wind we've had in a month. So that's peak wind. All right, make of it what you will, as always.